Welcome back. Today we're going to explain the ticker conventions for Eris US dollar interest rate swap futures and show you where you can find the contracts themselves. Eris has 10 available underlying tenors to trade in dollar rate futures, of which 7 are streaming throughout the day. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, and 30-year tenors highlighted here. Every Eris contract has a 3-digit ticker ID associated with an underlying tenor, starting with LI, as in live or swap futures. Those first 2 letters will be different for Eris SOFR index swap futures when those come out later this year. Like many other futures, Eris contracts coincide with quarterly IMM dates, and we follow a similar 1-digit month code: H for March, M for June, U for September, and Z for December. Finally, we have a 2-digit code for the effective year. So for 2020, it would just be 20. Put together, we have a fairly intuitive 6-digit ticker to find any Eris contract. For example, to find the 5-year contract effective June 2020, maturing 2025, you look up LIW for the 5-year and M20 for June 2020. Bloomberg tickers mirror CME contract codes, which makes things easier. Let's take a look now. Here we'll look up the 2-year Eris contract effective March 2020. So you type in LIT for the 2-year, H for March, and 20 for 2020. Once you have the ticker in Bloomberg, you can look up various other functions as you would any other contract, like DEX for the description page, or HP for historical pricing. If there's a set of Eris contracts you typically monitor, you can always create a custom worksheet for easier reference, like this one here. If interested, please let us know if we can help create a custom worksheet with you. If you don't remember the Eris contract codes or you don't have access to Bloomberg, you can always look up any Eris contract on our website, erisfutures.com, and navigating to the CME contracts, and then going to the contract lookup page. Or you can just remember the URL, erisfutures.com/CME/contract lookup. With this tool, you can look up any on or off the run Eris contract and gather useful information. For example, we'll take a 5-year contract from 2019, 5-year, 2019, and choose the effective month of September. If we expand the row, we can see static contract details like effective and maturity date, as well as more dynamic fields like initial margin, PV01, and importantly, current theoretical mid-pricing for every off-the-run contract based on our live curve, which we use for settlement purposes. For on-the-run contracts, you can see live bid and ask prices from our order book, along with the par rate equivalent yields. For those, we would just switch the current effective year, 2020, effective month, June. And here you can see the best bid and ask prices in blue and red. You can also see the par rate equivalent yield. Thank you again for joining. Now that you have a handle on where to find the Eris contracts, please check out our next section, which goes into more detail on how to get set up and begin trading them.